So, Helen, what is calculus to you?
Calculus? it's a math, and it helps me solving problems in science or economics and stuff. Yeah.
To me, I don't take calculus. It's a hard subject.
According to Newton and Leibniz, calculus is the study of two different types of change, differential and integral. So differential is rates of change, and integral is the area under the curve, right? Curve. And these two ideas come together in the fundamental theorem, which combine the idea of calculus. And there you have it, kids.
Well, another part of math, I guess. Don't know.
Calculus breaks me out in hives. I can't even say the word without getting, like, extremely upset.
And what is calculus to you?
Calculus is a cow with milk and a genie with a bottle.
To you.
I don't know what that means.
You.
I'm not sure, but I think it has something to do with math.
Go.
Calculus is Helen's therapy class.
Calculus is fun. Physics is swag. Stat is something. I don't know. Can we redo this?
Calculus is a tool used to find the definite area of indefinitely thin things. Woo. Okay, we're on our way to ask real math teachers what they think calculus is.
I haven't thought about calculus in a million bazillion years, so I have no inner feelings about calculus in this very moment of my life.
Wow, what is calculus to me? A wonderful subject, you know, dealing with slopes and areas and all kind of different problems. Exciting.
Calculus to me, well, it's being in Coach Zab's room, eating cookies, and a lot of lines and calculators.
Okay, so now we've taken our revenue function in blue and subtracted off our cost function red, and we've got this.
That made a .05.
Alright, so now we need to take the partial of this with respect to y.
Why is that an x?
Calculus is fun by definition. No, I'm sorry, calculus is cool by definition. Physics is fun. Calculus is a way of investigating how things change over time.
We're about to ask the three experts of calculus, or so they say. Hello, calculus people, kind of. Miss Benson, what is calculus to you?
Oh, calculus is my best friend. Amazing. Love it.
Coach Zab, what is calculus to you?
It's an instrument that I use to torture a select group of seniors every year.
Coach Weicker, I know you've already answered this, but what is calculus to you?
Sometimes I see it as a midget trying to steal my shoes.
Okay. As a rare species at FRA known as an Indian, I really enjoy calculus. I find it very, very fascinating. You know, calculus is not a social science.
Okay, we're going to ask Mr. Williams a quick question about calculus.
What are y'all out there taking pictures for?
Coach Williams, could you
Get out of here. I'm having class.
Could you tell us what
Get out of
calculus
here. If I was you right now, Buck, I'd be leaving right now.
Yes.
Okay, honestly, calculus is the biggest cause of controversy in high school. And no one really knows for sure what the definition of calculus is, but we try and pretend.
Calculus to me is a way to judge almost unmeasurable things in a entirely measurable way that I have no idea what it is. And there are a bunch of numbers and symbols that go over things and around things, and then I look at it and I nod like I understand it, and then I let smarter people tell me how far it is to the nearest star. That's calculus.
Calculus is cool. Physics is fun. And stat is swag. Okay.
Calculus, oh calculus, your mysteries are so deep. For me to understand it all is really quite a leap. The derivative is a rate of change, or so it has been said. The various notations are buried deep inside my head. The constant rule, the power rule. To study is my fate. There are so many rules to learn, to differentiate. Heidi-ho plus hody-hi. I think my teacher's crazy. And the quotient rule's even worse. The concept's really hazy. Concave up or concave down. I'm starting not to care. Local max or local min, I'm pulling out my hair. Tangent lines and asymptotes. Tangent lines and asymptotes. I do not understand. The amount of stuff I have to learn is getting out of hand. I thought that all I had to do was plug in 2 equations, but now I also have to state the interpretations. Calculus, oh calculus, what can I do but pray? No matter what I think I know, it always slips away.
Don't drink and drive.